This is Austin here with WWIII Firearms. Today we're going to be doing a little testing of the Robinson Arms XCR-L, the 5.56 model. I'm going to be honest with you, I've been looking forward to shooting one of these for quite some time now. They're pretty hard to find, but we got ourselves one. So we're going to go through a couple of the features, kind of explain what it is for those of you who don't know. This actually was part of the competition to take over for the M16 for the military. The SCAR ended up getting it because Robinson wasn't able to produce enough to actually win the contract, but they would have won if they'd been able to. I think overall it's just a better design than the SCAR, in my personal opinion. The stock is a lot more sturdy than the SCARs. You can actually pop it open, not worry about it breaking. You can also fire it with the stock folded with no damage done to the rifle. The SCAR can't say the same. It's a sweet rifle all around. It's kind of a mixture of a couple different rifle systems. A little bit of AR, a little bit of AK, a little bit of FAL with the side charging handle. It's not reciprocating. It's got some pretty sweet sights on it, very similar to SCAR style sights. It's got the ambi mag release, the 45-degree push for the safety on both sides. Ambi bolt hold open. Let's throw some rounds downrange. See what we think.
Does it reciprocate?
It does not reciprocate.
Ooh, I like that.
It is pretty sweet. Let's see here.
Got your ears in?
I do have my ears in.
Do you have your ears in?
I have my ears in.
There we go. That's a pretty sweet shooter right there.
You like that?
Another thing that makes this different from your typical AR platform is this is a gas piston system. So overall it's going to be more reliable in the long one. It's adjustable. It's just overall a really clean, sweet shooting gun. My first impressions, I'm a big fan. I'll probably keep this because it's my personal rifle. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Keep on shooting.